and spiritual concerns, possessed by the knowledge that they will be entirely at home in the real world. Like the other water signs, Cancer and Scorpios, they have the ability to see deeply into the human psyche. Subtle and intuitive, they are born with the gift of judging the people through their inner eyes and through their inner heart. They are involved in occult and spiritualism. They have close relationship with the astral forces and they feel before they know them, and their feelings are rarely wrong. If they get a hunch, others would be wise to pay attention to them. They have the ability of clairvoyance because they understand their hurts first and only then they rationalize what they know intuitively. Their negative point is they are self-undoing and they can easily become the creator of their own downfall. They are impractical and they are fall prey to overindulgence. They are also, they must be careful in choosing their companions because they are often cheated. So they must be aware of the people around them. And a fatal flaws in Pisces is that in Piscean people is that they tend to flee from situations which they think that they are not liking. So instead of solving the problem, they distance themselves in a very unconventional way by taking drugs and alcoholism and making them addicted to them. They think that this addiction will keep them away from the unliking of the situations and condition, but they never try to resolve it. So the symbol, that is the two fishes tied together swimming in opposite direction, it represents the conflicting emotions and desires that pull them to and fro. So they must fight hard for stability, for the strength of purpose and the balance needed to combat the negativity of laziness, carelessness and emotional confusion. They need to develop a positive self-image, play on their strength and ability to take responsibilities. They should be aware in choosing not a bad companion because they are cheated very easily, and they must be aware of their self-undoing, and their life lesson is to learn self-doing. Pisces is of course a watery sign and is emotional, compassionate, imaginative, intuitive, sensitive and escapist, but it can be deceptive and self-defeating also. They are very well with strong imagination and they have very good and composed romantic nature. Their strong imagination leads them to storytelling means they can tell a story very easily because they have a very strong imagination. In extreme cases they are liars and cheaters. Their positive points is they are compassionate, adaptable, accepting, devoted, imaginative, mystic, and the most positive point about Piscean people and Pisces at ascendant is they believe in the universe. They have the motto in their life that I believe. Even they are impractical, they are very much sure that they will achieve if they decide it. Their weakness is their oversensitiveness, their indecisive, their self-pitying, lazy and escapist. They are very much easy with their life because Pisces is ruled by Jupiter and they go with the flow. They move about the world in a vaguely direction and gentle manner. And they are very changeable. So they come across as artists and lovers of peace, but their open minds and hearts can give them a very changeable persona. Others are always not sure what to expect from them in their next meeting. Although often quiet and shy, another day you may find them talkative and passionate. They are usually impressible. And yes, one thing about their physical disposition is their eyes. The eyes of the Pisces are very attractive. Their eyes are very attractive. So if you find out a person whose eyes is very attractive, then you may have a subconscious feeling that the person may have Pisces ascendant. And they are very hard to pin down because they are very mysterious and elusive. They are molded by their surrounding. They incorporate their experience and surroundings into themselves. So this is the sometime negative for them, because when they are so much involved in their surrounding, and if there is a wrong in the world that affects them, then they feel extremely negative in their heart and they are caught in the negativity. So the positive point of Pisces is that they are extremes. They have got good intuitions and psychic ability more than any other zodiac signs. They trust their gut feelings, and if they do not, they quickly learn to, because they realize that their hunches are usually correct. Pisces' downfall is their sensitivity and their inability to reject another person. And most importantly, they are very much influenced by the surrounding and the feelings that the surrounding is um, carrying with it. So if there is negativity in the surrounding, then they will be caught in it. It is also a sign of self-undoing and overindulgence, laziness, and knack of picking poorly suited partners and friends. These are the disadvantages of Pisces people. They must be aware of these things. And their inner conflict make them extremes of temperament and conflicting emotions. They are trying to pinpoint themselves on the real world, while their spiritual world can cloud their vision. They will try to escape or avoid a situation instead of confronting it. Pisces' internal struggle is to learn to use their powers and their imagination in a positive, productive way, and vying for emotional stability by not giving away their emotions to everyone else. They need to help themselves. So, Pisces, which is a sign of mysticism, mystery, and the spiritual unknown, they lives in two worlds, the real world and the spiritual or the mystical world, where they interpret what they see into and what they want. They do this to avoid all the realities of pain and sufferings in the world. They had extremes of emotions and feel both good and bad intensively. Pisces have formidable intuitive ability. They are involved in occult and spiritualism. They are very good at understanding people, for they have the ability to delve into the psyche and see behind a person's motivation. They are addicted to drugs and indulging lifestyles because of their internal search for themselves and their fear of confrontation and having to change a situation. Also, they justify drug use by allowing it to get closer with their spiritual selves. Once they are aware this is why they are doing, it will be easier for them to kick the habit. Pisces are not the pushovers that they may seem. In fact, they have the strength of character and they will stand for what they believe in, and they can do hard work for something that they believe in. They can be very lazy, but only in matters what they do not care about. Pisces is the most sensitive of all the zodiac signs. So their positive points are their sensitiveness, but yeah, their intuitiveness, inspiration, compassion, and their belief in the universe. The negative point is they are very easily caught up in the situations and surroundings. Their secretiveness and their self-undoing, their addictions and their escapism, and they are also indecisiveness. So there are a lot to more discuss about Pisces relationship and Pisces um, functionality with the other planets when Pisces ascendant. How Pisces ascendant will have different planets, different houses and different signs and the relationship. So stay tuned to me and keep watching me and subscribe to my channel.